In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on Facebook Marketplace. We will walk through each tap together so your first listing goes live smoothly. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Give it a second to load. You should land on your main feed with posts from your friends and pages. If the app asks you to log in, go ahead and sign in so you can access Marketplace and create your listing. Now tap Menu, the three horizontal lines icon. On most phones, this sits in the bottom right. On some, it is in the top right. When you tap it, you move from the news feed to the main menu screen. You will see options like Friends, Groups, Memories, and a few others laid out in a grid or list. From there, tap Marketplace. The Marketplace icon looks like a little storefront. After you tap it, the screen changes to show items for sale nearby, with photos, prices, and locations. At the top, you should see a search bar and some filters. This confirms you are now inside Facebook Marketplace. Next up, tap Sell near the top of the Marketplace screen. This takes you away from browsing and into selling mode. Once you tap it, Facebook shows a few selling options and a button so you can start building your own listing. Now tap Create Listing. The app opens a new screen focused on you as the seller. You will see different listing types such as items, vehicles, or homes for rent. At this point, nothing is public yet. You are just choosing what kind of thing you want to list. Select Item for Sale. This is the standard option for almost anything like clothes, electronics, furniture, or tools. Once you select it, Facebook opens the listing form with empty fields and a spot to add photos. That form is where you will spend most of your time. After that, add photos. Tap the image area and choose pictures from your gallery, or take a new photo with your camera. You will see small previews appear in a row as you add them. Clear photos from different angles make a big difference, and you can remove or reorder them before you publish. With your photos ready, enter your item details. Start with the title, a short name that clearly tells people what you are selling. Then set the price, using a realistic number based on what similar items go for. Choose a category that best matches your item so buyers can find it when they filter searches. Pick the condition, such as new or used, to set expectations. Add a description that covers key details like size, brand, age, and any flaws. Finally, set your location so buyers see how close you are. These details control who sees your listing and how often it appears in searches. At this point, review your listing, scroll through the form and check every field including your photos and price. Look for typos, wrong categories, or missing details. What you see here is almost exactly what buyers will see, so make sure it looks clear and accurate. When everything looks right, tap Publish. The app will pause for a moment, then your listing appears in Marketplace and usually under your Selling tab. Buyers nearby can now view it and message you. You have just created and published a complete item listing on Facebook Marketplace, ready for buyers to find. If this helped you get your first listing live, a quick thumbs up helps others find it too, and feel free to subscribe for more simple marketplace tips.